Okay, hello traders. Thanks for watching this live trading session, this Forex webinar. Maybe today we'll talk about the US oil, about maybe silver, maybe potential longs, maybe USD longs, if of course the dollar index confirms an upside continuation. But first of all, as always, guys, I'm reminding you to read the risk disclaimer before we'll start this session, this live webinar. It's important for you to understand the risks, before trading on the financial markets, on CFDs, on Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, indexes, And if you have maybe more questions about subscription services or any other questions, please email support. You have our email here. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please follow us on Instagram. And if you are not a VIP member, if you want to become a VIP member to have access to our VIP Telegram group, you can access the link posted right below this video, and for only £35 per month you will have access to our VIP content, trades, trade management. Hello sir, let's see how is US oil. We'll take a look on that. First of all, I will start maybe with the dollar index, because please take a look here in I don't know, 12 30 minutes. The US is to release high impact data, the ISM manufacturing PMI, also the job openings. Very important, because personally, as you already know, and of course, if you are a VIP member, you already know that I have a long position in short position in New Zealand dollar, US dollar, which is in the red right now, a strong rally. But let's wait for the US data. Also the pair reached resistance. I will take a look on that market as well. So very important, in around, I don't know, 12 minutes, the US is to release the ISM manufacturing PMI and also the job openings, and maybe better than expected US data, or in line with expectations or something, could help the USD to appreciate again. Let's take a look. Dollar index, very important. So temporary drop, sell-off right now after maybe today's rally here. It has managed to stabilize above the weekly R1, above 96.19. It has registered a new high, but right now it has failed to stay above 96.33. The current sell-off, the current drop forced the US dollar to depreciate in the short term, and also forced the metals to grow. We'll take a look also on silver, on gold, and commodities, on indexes. We'll try to maybe to identify new opportunities on these markets. And of course, if you are a VIP member, my pending order in euro versus the US dollar is still valid. Let's wait and see, because this could still be only temporary drop ahead of these high impact US data. Also the IS manufacturing prices, total vehicle sales. Let's wait and see how the US dollar will react around these high impact events. What happened? And every signal is hitting a stop loss. Every signal, I don't see any signal which hits CP. I'm a member of your VIP group. I don't know, man. Personally, I'm short only on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I've told you that that trade is in the red right now, but I've told you that I'm still keeping that trade. I'm risking only 1%, or even less than 1%, maybe on maybe around 0.8% on that trade. And I don't know about other signals. I don't want to talk about other traders' signals or trades or setups. Okay, so let's take a look. The dollar index, I've told you that this could still be only a temporary drop. You already know from my analysis, and if you are a VIP member, I've talked about the dollar index earlier today in an analysis, also in a video analysis, and I've told you that after escaping from the minor down channel here, it has signaled that the downside is over and that the dollar index could turn to the upside. Okay, but after this amazing rally registered yesterday, maybe temporary drops are natural, expected, and something like this, because in my opinion and technically it's failure here to stabilize below 95.75 or to reach 95.51 or to stay below the upper medium line, which was seen and which represented a strong dynamic resistance. Yeah, maybe an upside continuation is natural and expected, and that's why maybe personally I will still look for US dollar longs, okay, despite maybe temporary drops. Okay, yeah, so let's take a look gold, guys, and then we'll take a look on silver and also on the US oil. So please take a look here, something like a strong sell-off, strong drop, but yeah, yesterday it has dropped it here as much as 1798.38, and right now temporary rebound, retest of the medium line of the descending pitchfork. Also it has dropped it as much as 1798.51. yeah, and right now strong rally only because the DXY has dropped it in the short term, but let's wait to see how the maybe the US data, the US economic data will impact, maybe or actually what impact will have on the price of gold in the short term. Maybe we had something like an opportunity maybe here after this drop, retest, yeah, rejection, engulfing, and here maybe this amazing rally, but no, maybe personally I'll wait maybe for the price to come back to retest 1807.15 or something before jumping higher, because this could still be only a false breakout. Maybe, I don't know, if the dollar index will jump higher, the price of gold could come back maybe and could print something like a bearish engulfing, and I don't know, maybe the price of gold will continue to move sideways in the short term. So I'll wait for something here. Maybe also in gold, maybe I will look for longs, maybe if the price will come back to retest maybe these former highs, yeah, before jumping higher towards the weekly pivot point, or even higher maybe towards the upper medium line. This is my opinion here in gold, guys. So here it has found support, retest of the medium line, yeah, and right now I don't know if it will make a new higher high. Yeah, it could come back towards the weekly pivot point, but this is not a trading recommendation, this is not a trading signal, it's only my opinion. Yeah, hello, hope you're doing good, Chris. Your trades are so good today, love it. Yeah, Chris, thank you. Something like this in gold. Silver, let's take a look. Yeah, maybe personally I wanted guys to maybe to go long here, yeah, but I don't know, I'm still waiting for the dollar index maybe to continue to grow, but yeah, in the short term we have a strong upside pressure after retesting here this support zone, demand area, false breakdown with great separation below 22.681. Strong rally, but if you remember when I've talked about silver, I believe in maybe in yesterday's video analysis, I talked about silver, and I talked about something like this sideways movement, a range pattern here before, yeah, an upside continuation. So despite the current rally, I will still look for longs maybe, but maybe I'll wait for a high probability trade. Yeah, here it was maybe risky to go long. Maybe personally I would have liked the price to come back to retest also the 22.591 before jumping higher or something, or let's wait and see how it will react here around these former highs, immediate highs, yeah, because if it will be rejected here, then it could come back down to retest the support levels before jumping higher or something, or if it will, I don't know, make a very breakout here also, if it jumps and stabilize above the pivot point, it could continue to grow. But yeah, as I've told you in that video analysis, I'm looking for longs. Look for buying opportunities in silver, but because personally I believe that I don't know, it could resume its upside movement after this, I don't know, sideways movement, maybe range here between 22.591 23.435 or something. But also I want to see maybe the price escaping from the descending pitchforks body before going long or something like a consolidation here, accumulation. I will look for longs, okay, in silver, okay. So US oil. Please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, I'm waiting for messages for your questions. But yeah, as you already know, personally I'll take a look on all markets. And yeah, if you identify trading opportunities, high probability trades, personally I will open a trade for myself, and I will share my trade with you guys. Of course, if you want to follow it, if you want to follow my trade management, it's fine. If you don't want to follow it, if I don't know, my analysis I don't know, are not good for you, doesn't make sense or something for you, yeah, please don't open a trade or something. Please don't follow my trades. Okay, so US oil, something like a continuation pattern here. Yeah, it has failed to come back, maybe to retest this previous highs here, this former resistance level area, this current support, something like a down channel, a flag pattern here in the short term on the 1 hour. And you can see the only false breakdown with great separation below the downside line, breakout, and right now it tries to make maybe a new higher high. And I believe that something like this, closing, stabilizing above 77.34 and also above the R1, consolidation, accumulation, or I don't know, a minor drop to test, retest, all these could bring us maybe new buying opportunities in US oil. So that's why I've also wanted to talk about the US oil. And let's take a look also here on the economic calendar. Let's refresh it. So personally, I'm still looking for longs here in US oil, as the bias is bearish, is bullish, after ending its temporary drop here. Yeah, an upside continuation pattern, and I believe that taking out these resistance levels, but I'll wait for a valid breakout, for the price to jump above these obstacles, to come back maybe to test, retest, to consolidate before resuming its growth. Okay, don't forget guys that yeah, OPEC agrees to stick to existing policy. Yeah, so right now after this after the OPEC meeting, yeah, the US oil is strongly bullish. Yeah, right now let's wait and see how it will react here around these levels, because a false breakout, rejections or something, or a bearish pattern could announce that maybe the price could come back down. But after something like this here, its failure to stabilize it below 75.35, below the weekly pivot point, or to stay within the down channels pattern, signal that maybe we'll have an upside continuation here. Okay, yeah, something like this. I will also take a look on your messages. Can you give us your insight on US dollar Japanese yen? Should we expect a drop in price? Martin, yeah, we'll take a look. Hello sir, what do you think of Dow Jones? Leones, yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. So let's take a look. US dollar Japanese yen. So unfortunately yesterday the price said yeah, it has registered this strong sell-off drop in the short term. Okay, and yeah, it has closed my long position in US dollar Japanese yen at break even. Okay, it's around 114.99 here. Okay, but yeah, it has registered only a full breakdown with great separation, and then it has rallied. But as I've told you earlier today, if you're a VIP member, I've told you that maybe the 115 psychological level was my invalidation level, because if the price would have closed it below it, maybe it would have registered a larger downside movement. That's why it was important for me to move my stop loss at break even, to keep it there. And yeah, unfortunately it has closed at my long position was closed at break even, and yeah, after closing my position here at break even, it has dropped as much as 114.94. I don't know, 5 pips below my break even, my stop loss, and then boom. Okay, yeah, it would have been a really great long. It would have reached my take profit. But right now, yeah, in the short, let's take a look on the economic calendar. Let's take a look. So worse than expected US data, and yeah, right now the dollar index drops. And yeah, maybe my position, my short position in New Zealand dollar, US dollar will hit the stop loss. Yeah, I will maybe lose 1% of the trading account, but yeah, it's fine. That's why I have a stop loss, an invalidation level. If the price reaches that invalidation level, yeah, it's fine. I know right from the beginning that I can lose 1% of my trading account on a trade. So yeah, it's fine. It's fine for me. And yeah, right now the dollar index drops right after the US economic data. So the ISM manufacturing PMI worse than expected, guys. Worse than expected. 58.7 points. Alan, crossing my finger, hoping to short USD yen. I will take a look. PMI is out. Yeah, it's out, and it was reported worse than expected. So ISM manufacturing PMI 58.7 points below 60.0 points expected, 61.1 in the previous reporting period. So this strong drop in reported by the ISM manufacturing PMI indicates and signals that yeah, the expansion, a slowdown in expansion, guys, and this could be bad for the US dollar right now in the short term. And also jobs openings worse than expected as well. ISM manufacturing prices worse than expected, 68.2 points below 79.3 points expected. So yeah, worse than expected US data today. And let's take a look on the DXY. I will come back and I will talk about the dollar about the US dollar Japanese yen. So something like this right now, a sell-off in the dollar index, and that's why the US dollar has depreciated versus its rivals. But let's wait, because as I told you earlier today, this could be only a temporary drop or something. But yeah, unfortunately, worse than expected data. Personally, I'm still holding that trade because it's too late to do something on the New Zealand dollar US dollar. Yeah, maybe I should have I don't know, closed my trade at break even, or to move my stop loss at break even or something. But yeah, right now it's too late. But as I've told you, I knew right from the beginning that if the price turns against me, I will lose only 1% of my trading account. Okay. Hi, I joined one of your recommended brokers to gain access to the VIP. How do I send your confirmation that I have joined the Forex broker? Shane Riley, please email support. So please email support, Shane Riley, because they will come back to you. They will help you with this. And please, guys, if you have maybe more questions about subscription, about services, about brokerage companies, please email support. They will come back to you, because personally I'm not here to answer to this kind of questions about subscription services, I don't know, brokerage companies. I'm here as a trader, as a trading analyst or something. And yeah, this is a trading webinar, and I will not talk about services subscription. Okay. One moment. Is still in euro US dollar is still in range. So what about Euro USD? Yeah, we'll take a look on that market. I really understand why the New Zealand dollar wasn't closed before. I tried to follow your silence and closing, and now it's just a nightmare. No, it's not a nightmare. So please, when you want to close your trades, please close your trades. So I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. I'm not forcing you to follow my trades. I'm not forcing you to open a trade. I'm not forcing you to follow my trade management. So I've told you, for me it's fine. That's why I'm placing a stop loss. Yeah, and I know right from the beginning that I can lose 1% of my trading account on, I don't know, on a trade, yeah, on a trading position. So that's why, yeah, I told you that maybe I should have closed the trade at break even, or to move the stop loss at break even. But yeah, these things happen, a strong rally in the short term. But yeah, personally, I'm still keeping that trade, and if the price reaches the stop loss, it's fine for me. So please, when you want, personally, you know, your trades, your position, or I don't know, and I don't know, it's your call if you want to open a trade, to follow a trade, to close a trade. So yeah, what do you think about UK 100, the FTSE with COVID percentage wars? And yeah, I will take a look on that market. Adarsha Lima, I'm buying Euro USD at 1.1305. What I do now? Euro USD is not breaking out, no problem. Okay, so something like this, in my opinion, and I've told you earlier that also my pending order in euro versus US dollar is still valid. It's your call if you want to follow that trade. And of course, maybe if you want my trade management, maybe later, if the price will reach my entry or something, yeah. So let's take a look. Euro US dollar. So something like this in euro US dollar. So technically, you can see that the price failed here to stabilize above 1.1374, 1.1382. Here it has failed to approach to reach to retest the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, yeah, after failing to stabilize above it. So resistance zone. And yeah, yesterday I've sent a pending order, maybe a buy stop, but the price dropped, and that maybe long opportunity or something was invalidated, and that's why personally I decided today, so I've deleted that pending order, and today I've decided maybe to look for shorts, yeah. But if you're a VIP member, and I believe that you watched that video, the thought process behind my trade in euro versus the US dollar. And I've told you guys that, so I will talk about this one because I don't have the setup here. So yeah, it was only for the VIPs. My trade was only for the VIPs. So yeah, right now it has registered only false breakdown here below 1.1279. Right now it tries to grow here. But let's wait and see, because something like this, if the price maybe will drop, stabilize, if it will maybe close and stabilize below the outside sliding line, it could still drop, okay? Something like this. So yeah, personally, I'm still keeping that pending order in euro versus the US dollar. Maybe also, despite worse than expected US data, yeah, anything could happen, because you already know that maybe the Federal Reserve is expected to hike rates during the year, and also thanks. USD is not breaking out, no problem, of course, but we actually paid to trust you a little bit though. But anyway, how do you think it's gonna go down now? I don't know, and I've told you, yeah, it's your call. if you want to follow a trade, if you don't want to follow a trade. If that's why I'm sending you the thought process, the rationale. If you don't like the analysis, the thought process, the rationale, if you don't understand it, please don't open a trade. And yeah, so I've told you it's fine if the price reaches maybe my stop loss. For me it's fine. I'm risking only 1% on this trade, and I will recover on other trades. So yeah, something like this. So I'll keep that pending order also in euro versus the US dollar. So Niels Air, so no one knows if the New Zealand dollar US dollar will drop or something. I don't know. Yeah. Sunil Bista, can we buy or sell on gold now? Please upgrade. I don't know. Yeah. I've told you my opinion in gold, and maybe I will take a look again on gold. Will you guys plan on setting up a copy trading platform for all VIP members, especially for those who can always check all the chats on Telegram? Harrison, please email support, and I don't know. Yeah. Alan, if your prediction for comes true, I would have long 2 more pairs. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. I will take a look on more forex pairs. Also, I will take a look. Let's take a look again on gold. Yeah, I've had a question. So something like this. I've told you that maybe something like this will happen here. Maybe the price will come back down to retest 1807.15 before jumping higher, and yeah, if the dollar index maybe will drop deeper. Yeah, and also after these worse than expected US data, maybe the price of gold will resume its growth. But personally, I will not go long here right now, only because maybe I would have to place my stop loss here, and I believe that I can't open such a trade with a 1% risk. Yeah, in my trading account right now. I will take a look. I will take a look later, but right now I've told you maybe I want to see something like an accumulation, consolidation, or something. Maybe because something like this, an accumulation, consolidation here, or a pattern, continuation pattern here in the short term, will help me maybe to place my stop loss here, right below these former highs, or something below maybe potential new lows, and to catch something like this intraday, or yeah, a short-term long position in gold. Okay, silver. Yeah, silver is there, still there around resistance. Yeah. As I've said, I'll wait for something. So US oil. Yeah, it's still there at resistance, near resistance. So I don't have something really good right now. So US dollar, Japanese yen, because I've had someone asking me about this this market. Yeah, maybe in the short term, this pair could retreat after reaching the warning line of the major descending pitchfork, and after reaching the weekly R3 116.35. Okay. And also, guys, if you cannot afford to lose, I don't know, 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, or something, I don't know, maybe trading is not for you. Okay, and please don't judge our trades or something. I don't know, after 2-3 days, or after 2-3 trades, or 5 trades, or something. Okay. Okay, guys, one moment, because I will take a look on the YouTube chat. I just want to market to move, not in bloody range. Andy Smith, copy trading using Ava Trade Social would work for that. Thank you, Andy Smith. Please email support if you have, I don't know, copy trading or something, or if you have any questions, requests or something, and they will come back to you. Harrison, Are your pitchforks inserted on every chart based off your indicator? Is it, can we use it, or it is private? Is it? No, if you want to use pitchfork, Andrew's pitchfork, you will find it here in TradingView, pitchfork, shift pitchfork, modified shift pitchfork, inside pitchfork, and yeah, if you want to, of course, if you want to use it, yeah, it's not important to use my strategy, to use my tools. Maybe you want to use something else, other tools which will help you to identify great trading opportunities. I don't know, reversals, yeah, exhaustions, entry points, exit points, or something. So Chris, US dollar Japanese yen is so strong, bullish. I'm not touching that one. Yeah. So US dollar Japanese yen. So yeah, it's at resistance here, but it's strongly bullish. Personally, maybe I will look for longs, but I'll wait maybe for a temporary drop, for a retreat. So I will not sell it. I will not go short. I'll wait for the price maybe to drop a little, to decrease, to decline, and then to go to search for new long opportunities in US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, so it's still strongly bullish, an upside movement, strong upside movement. Personally, yeah, I want to see something like a retreat, downside movement before resuming its growth, or I want to see something like this, a valid breakout above the warning line before jumping higher or something. So this is my opinion here, and don't forget that the US dollar Japanese yen rallied only because, let's take a look on the yen futures and on the yen basket, only because we had this. Yeah, so the Japanese yen futures dropped aggressively, and that's why the Japanese yen has depreciated versus all its rivals, and not only versus the US dollar. So even if the dollar index dropped, this drop here on the Japanese yen futures forced the US dollar Japanese yen to reach new highs. Okay. So yeah, my trade in New Zealand dollar US dollar reached the stop loss, so I've lost 1% of my trading account. Okay, so I will also update the VIP group on this one, but I'm still holding that pending order in euro versus the US dollar. Yeah, it's your call if you want to follow that trade or something. Okay, so Japanese yen, that's why the Japanese yen depreciated also here. Please take a look. I talked here about potential downside movement, when I've talked also about action and reaction lines here. So the yen basket plunged and is strongly bearish, and potential further drop here could force the yen to resume its depreciation. Okay, so something like this. Maybe this is a reaction line. Let's wait and see how the Japanese yen basket will react around it. It could approach and reach it maybe. And as long as the yen basket continues to drop, the yen will continue to depreciate versus its rivals. This is the last time I'll mention the copy trading idea, but have you thought about setting up a MEM account with a brokerage? That could be a very easy option for you guys. Harrison, please email support if you have, I don't know, requests, questions or something. I'm not here to talk about services, to talk about MEM accounts, brokerage companies, services, subscription, and yeah, maybe we'll have something like this in the future, but right now we don't have something like that. Yeah, and it's not my call to have a copy trading or a MEM account or something. Yeah, so okay, so US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, strong sell-off here after reaching and retesting the immediate downtrend line, and also 1.2763. So a strong sell-off because I believe that the dollar index drops right now. Yeah, strong sell-off here after worse than expected US data, guys. One moment, because I have to check something. So, yeah, Orlando's trading Nasdaq, 100 pips profit, 1R, 1%, maybe, yeah. Okay. So, Sunil, this US oil or sell position. So I've told you that when I'll have something, I'll share my trade with the VIP members. Of course, okay. And if you are a VIP member, you will get my trade in US oil. If I will not share a trade in US oil, yeah, this means that I will not go short or long on US oil. Okay, so US dollar, Swiss franc, let's take a look. I believe that we have a strong sell-off, yeah, right now, but I don't like the price action here, so I will stay away from this market for now. I've also deleted my my analysis because it's yeah, it's really good to delete your maybe your analysis to build new ones. Maybe you will identify something new, like new opportunities, new levels, key levels, fresh ideas. Yeah. No, I don't have something here in US dollar Swiss franc. Only because we have a positive correlation between the dollar index and the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. That's why right now we have this strong sell-off. Yeah. Something like this. Okay. Australian dollar, US dollar. Australian dollar, US dollar. If we'll take a look here on the 4-hour chart, and if we'll use something like this, an uptrend, maybe we have an up channel here, something like this. Temporary drop here. It has failed its approach to retest the uptrend line. I don't know. Right now, I will not do anything here. Maybe I'll wait for the price maybe to come back higher towards these former highs where we have a resistance zone. If it will maybe drop and escape from this range, maybe I would look for shorts or something. But right now, the US dollar, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar rallies only because the dollar index drops, only because the US data was reported worse than expected earlier today. Yeah. So let's take a look here also on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So something like this, guys. So yeah, something like a double top breakdown. Yeah, and here it has dropped also below, guys, below 0.6788. Yeah, rebound, and that's why today I decided to go short on this market. Yeah, I've catch this strong downside movement. I was in profit, but the price turned against me. Yeah, we had something like a strong resistance here, 0.6796. That's why maybe I didn't manage my position at break even or something, because personally I thought that maybe the price will find resistance here around the S1 before dropping deeper. It was also far below my immediate downtrend line. So yeah, technically speaking, the bias was bearish, but unfortunately right now the worse than expected US data forced the price to rally, and yeah, it has reached my stop loss, but it's fine. I've told you, I know right from the beginning that I will lose maybe 1% of my trading account on a trade, so it's fine. So if you cannot afford to lose 1%, I don't know, trading is not for you. Or if you cannot afford to lose on trading, yeah, because even if you will make, I don't know, 100% returns, 1000% returns, maybe one day you will yeah, even if you will be an experienced trader, you will make mistakes. No one knows the direction, yeah, a certain direction. So yeah, trading is about probabilities, and yeah, I told you that the bias was bearish here, and that's why I've decided also to go short also after something like this. Yeah, breakdown here, retest of the medium line, maybe something like a sideways movement here, and yeah, personally I've expected, technically I've expected a potential downside movement. Yeah, maybe it was a mistake, maybe I should have managed my position at break even here around these levels, 0.6783 or something. Yeah, after something after this strong sell-off, but yeah, personally I've thought that maybe the price will only retest these levels before dropping deeper, but right now US data forced the pair to rally. Okay, Euro, Japanese yen. Please guys, if you have maybe more questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, so even if you are an experienced trader or something, and even if you will I don't know, you will continue to make mistakes, yeah, so these things happen in trading, but yeah, if you cannot afford to lose 1% or 2%, 3%, I don't know, trading is not for you. That's why personally I'm asking you all the time to read the risk disclaimer before all my sessions, live sessions, webinars, videos, yeah, because trading is risky, yeah, you should know that. Okay, Euro, Japanese yen, strongly bullish. I told you that the Japanese yen is strongly bearish. I told you that it depreciates versus all its rivals after the Japanese yen futures sell-off, after the Japanese yen basket sell-off or something. Right now I don't have something here because I will not buy it here. Even if we have something like a strong momentum right now, maybe I'll wait for a new retreat before going long or something. The British pound versus the Japanese yen, yeah, a strong rally. Personally, I wanted yesterday maybe to go long on this market after this retreat here, retest of the weekly pivot point, but the reason why I didn't want it to go long or to send a pending order or to open a pending position was this level, 156.07. Please take a look. Yeah, this former high has strong static resistance, and I thought that maybe only if the price will register only a false breakout or something, and yeah, maybe personally I would have liked to see something here after this breakout, retest, and then I would have maybe I would have looked for long opportunities, for buying opportunities, but still a temporary drop here, maybe it will come back down to retest the broken weekly R1, could bring us new long opportunities or something, or if it will maybe, I don't know, move sideways, trying to accumulate more VIP to accumulate more bullish energy before jumping higher. So I'll look for longs, but I'll wait for a temporary drop after this amazing swing higher, leg higher rally, yeah, because also here we have something like former high static resistance around 158.21. So yeah, I'll wait for a temporary drop before catching a new upside movement. Alan joined the VIP channel. Can you look at UK 100 and FTSE 100, please? Yeah, I've told you that I will take a look on all markets, so stop spamming on my chat, okay? Harry, your opinion on what, Harry? Should we go short at 0.6830 for New Zealand dollar, US dollar? Once again, personally, I will stay away from that. From that market, from that pair. Yeah, it was enough for today on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So I don't want to go short right now, only because I've lost 1% of my trading account. So yeah, I will not jump into the market only because I'm frustrated or something, trying to recover my loss or something. So no, right now I'll stay away. I'll take a look on all markets, and maybe I will catch something really good on other markets. Yeah. So no, I will not take a new trade, guys, in New Zealand dollar, US dollar right now. Okay. Maybe because after something like that, you need to calm down, to cool down, maybe to... No. I will take a look on UK 100. No, personally, I'm trying to answer to all your questions, but please take a look. There are a lot of messages, questions, a lot of markets to cover, and yeah, personally, I will answer to all your questions. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Harry. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strong rally. No, right now I don't have something. Maybe we had something after this retest of the weekly pivot point, medium line here. But right now, I don't know, in my opinion, even if the bias is bullish, is strongly bullish, even if yeah, the price is strongly bullish, I will not buy it here right below the R1, below the upper medium line. Maybe I'll wait for a temporary retreat before jumping higher or something. So I'll wait for something like this on all these Japanese yen pairs, maybe for retreats. Maybe the yen will appreciate a little before resuming its depreciation or something. So yeah. Also, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, maybe I will look for longs if the price makes a new higher high, stabilizes above the immediate highs. Yeah, consolidation, accumulation before jumping higher. So yeah, the New Zealand dollar is strongly bullish in the short term. Silver again, because I told you that I'm looking for longs. But also here, I don't know if I can open a trade, something like this. Maybe, I don't know, from here with a stop loss here right below these levels. I don't know. I don't know yet my take profit, only because I don't know if I can open a trade with a small size with risking only 1%. So I will take a look on silver later, maybe. After maybe I will end this webinar, and maybe I will decide if I will go long, because I've told you that I'm looking for longs. Also right now is at resistance. It has reached the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, minor descending pitchfork. Also we have the weekly pivot point. So yeah, I don't want to, maybe something like this, valid breakout, consolidation, accumulation here, will also above the pivot point could bring me a long opportunity, and I will keep an eye on silver. And yeah, if I'll have something like a good and high probability trade, I will share my trade with the VIP members. Yeah. And if you are a VIP member, if you want to follow my trade, it's fine. Yeah, but if you cannot afford to lose 1% of your trading account, please don't open the trade. I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. It's your call. It's your trading account. Yeah, you should always make your own analysis. it's very important. US oil, yeah, it's still there at resistance, so I'll wait for something. I'll wait maybe for an upside confirmation, upside continuation or something, but right now I don't have something really good. Okay, so UK 100, let's take a look on FTSE 100. I'm not trading this stock index, so I don't have an analysis here. So so what do you want to know about the UK 100, about the FTSE? So sorry, I'm a little tired. So so when you want me to talk about something, please, I don't know. So it's strongly bullish. Yeah, maybe we had something here. So strong rally, temporary drop here. Yeah, maybe to retest this former resistance support zone. Yeah, maybe we had something. Yeah, I've missed this opportunity. My bad, because I'm not looking on this market. Maybe I'm not trading this this index, the FTSE, the UK 100. So yeah, it has increased a little to retest the 7402.5, 7384.6 support zone, former resistance, and yeah, maybe we had here something on the short term here. Yeah, maybe we had here something like a flag or channel, something like this, false breakdown with great separation. Yeah, maybe we had here a bullish signal, bullish opportunity here right after this one here. You can see that the price failed here to come back, maybe to retest the broken levels. So right now it's too late to go long. So this is my opinion in in UK 100 on the FTSE. Let's take a look also on daily. Sorry about that. Okay, so something like this. So in my opinion, it's too late. Maybe we had something there, but right now, no. Actually, it's your call if you want to do something on this market. Maybe personally, I'll wait for a temporary retreat drop. Yeah, maybe the price will come back down, something like this, before jumping higher. So yeah. It's at same level prior to COVID. Yeah. Do you think a good short with COVID worsening, swing trade? Right now it's bullish, so I will not look for shorts, for shorting the UK 100 right now. Okay. So I don't have something really good here. Let's take a look again on daily. Yeah. So maybe I will look for shorts if the price, I don't know, reaches these former highs. Okay, so we have something like a strong resistance zone, resistance area, but also even if the price reaches these levels, former highs, personally I want to see something like a bearish pattern, like a reversal pattern, for me to consider going short, because you can see here that we have a strong upside movement. Let's take a look. Something like this, and let's or something like this. So maybe we'll have something like a major pattern here. COVID Omicron is not deadly. Yeah, I don't know. So maybe I'll wait for the price of the UK 100 for the FTSE to approach and reach this resistance zone, and here test, retest, false breakouts, and a bearish pattern could bring us maybe new short opportunities. But right now I will not go short. Okay, this is my opinion, this is my analysis in UK 100, because you can see that it's strongly bullish, new higher high. Yeah, as long as it stays above the broken levels, it could resume its upside movement. So as long as it stays above these former highs, above this area, it could. Bernardo Castro, your process on gold was on point. Chill. Yeah. So yeah, right now strong momentum, bullish momentum on gold. And yeah, maybe I will decide also if I want to go long or something in silver, because personally maybe I like silver right now, but we are at resistance. US 100. Strong sell-off, and I don't know. Can you take a look? Palladium, thanks a lot. Yeah, maybe I will take a look. Nobody is shorting when the market is railing. So if you are a VIP, yeah, if you are a VIP member, yeah, so if you are a VIP member, maybe you followed Orlando's short here on the Nasdaq, on the US 100 pips. So yeah, maybe I will not talk about it right now, because Orlando closed this trade. We are right now around these former lows at support, maybe static support levels or something. Let's wait and see how the US 100, the Nasdaq, will react here around this support. Test, retest, the bullish pattern could signal potential rebound, and the value breakdown could signal potential deeper drop. But yeah, right now it's too late maybe to go short, because we're at support. If you missed Orlando's short position, yeah. US 30. Someone asked me about US 30. Thank you for covering that, by the way. Yeah, I've told you that I will answer to all your questions. US 100, sorry, US 30. The Dow Jones strongly bullish, a new higher high, historical high. It has climbed as much as 36,944, strongly bullish. So right now I don't have anything, because I will not buy it here around the fresh new high, historical high. Yeah. US 500. One moment, because I will invite more members maybe. US 500. Yeah, a new all-time high, historical high here, 48.19.7. So yeah, okay. So yeah, it's at resistance. It has reached a new all-time high. So I will invite more members. Okay, so before we'll talk about cryptocurrencies, let's invite maybe more members. Okay, so right now, no, I don't have something because yeah, we are at resistance. I don't want to sell it here because I don't know, it's still bullish or something. So no, I don't have a good setup here on the US 500. Maybe on the lower time frames, maybe we had something here after dropping below this immediate low or here, but here we have something like a support level. Sorry, here around 4802.9. Maybe something like a reversal pattern here, double top or something. Maybe I will take a look later on this market, but as long as it stays above 4802.9, I don't know, the bias is still bullish. Yeah. Okay. Please, guys, if you have maybe more questions or something. Hi all. Yeah. So let's take a look. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin. It has registered another false breakdown here below 46,201.01. It has retested this downtrend line, and right now it tries to turn to the upside. And maybe personally, why is US dollar bullish but bearish? Should US 30 not sell off as well? Shane Riley. It remains to see if the US 30 will turn to the downside as well or something. But let's take a look here on Bitcoin. So as I've told you, we have a strong support zone here, demand area, demand zone, and I've told you that as long as it stays above it, even if it retests it, if it makes only false breakdowns, maybe, yeah. It could still develop a strong upside movement or something. Let's take a look on 1 hour, because maybe we have something here on 1 hour. I don't know. Right now we are at resistance here. Maybe we have something like a triangle or something here in the short term. So that's why I want to see something like this. Very breakout above the immediate downtrend line. Also, I'll wait maybe for the price to stabilize above 47,111, maybe before considering going long, before looking for longs. I want to see something like this, breakout, test, retest before jumping higher. So this is my opinion about Bitcoin. So we are at support, strong demand zone, demand area. You can see all these false breakdowns, yeah, here. And maybe the price of Bitcoin will try to turn to the upside. Something like this. And I believe that I don't know, only a new lower low, if it will maybe drop and close and stabilize, I don't know, below 45,478.74 or something, could signal potential larger drop or something. But in the short term, if it moves sideways here, staying near the upper medium line, could maybe signal a potential upside breakout, imminent upside breakout above the upper medium line from this descending pitch force body, and it could signal a larger upside movement or something. Hello. Is your Euro USD pending sell stop still valid? Please, thank you. I will ban someone. Maybe. because someone is spamming on my chat. So Maros Olehar, if my Euro USD is still valid, yeah, maybe personally I will still keep it. Maros. So yeah, the price failed to reach my entry, and maybe I'll still keep that pending order, because and maybe I will delete it only if the price will reach my stop loss. Yeah, without reaching my entry, I will delete the pending order, because the setup maybe it was invalidated or something. So right now, euro versus US dollar retests the lower medium line, which maybe represents a dynamic resistance. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Maybe if it stays below it, retest, even if it increases along it, it could still signal maybe a potential downside movement or something. So yeah, something like this. Ethereum. So Ethereum, I've talked about Ethereum in my previous sessions, and I've told you that it could move sideways here. I've told you that maybe I'll wait for something here. If the price continues to stay above 3669.48 and the value breakout here could bring us new long opportunities, only because you can see here that the price dropped it below the uptrend line. But if it fails maybe to make a new lower low, the downside movement could be over, and maybe the price of Ethereum could turn to the upside, could develop a new leg higher. So I will look for longs maybe in Ethereum. Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin in a, I don't know, above a buying zone here, demand zone. It has jumped above the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, signaling maybe potential upside movement or something. So yeah, I will look for longs here. Also in Litecoin versus the US dollar. But maybe I'll want the price to jump too close to stabilize above the pivot point, above the immediate high before jumping higher. Yeah. Dogecoin. Let's take a look. Thank you very much for explanation. Yeah, thank you for being here. Don't forget, guys, to like this video if you like my analysis, if you like what I'm doing here, even if, yeah, my New Zealand dollar, US dollar reached the stop loss. Yeah, these things happen in trading. Medium line. So also in Dogecoin, maybe I will look for longs. If the price continues to stay near these resistance levels, it will maybe could signal an imminent upside breakout. So maybe I'll wait for something like this, valid breakout, before considering going long. But I'll wait for a valid breakout above these immediate upside obstacles, guys. Yeah. So yeah, let's take a look again on silver. Yeah, it's still there. Dollar index is sell-off right now. Technically today, so after this amazing rally, consolidation, test, retest here, an upside movement signaled that the US dollar is still bullish. But unfortunately, yeah, right now the US data was unexpected. The data forced the dollar to depreciate versus its rivals, and yeah, that's why I've lost 1% of my trading account on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Please don't forget my Palladium. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for reminding me. Thanks. What? So I'm not trading on this market. I don't have an analysis. I believe that I don't have something. So Palladium, CFD on Palladium. Harry, it seems the XI down. Harry, yeah, but that could be only a temporary drop. Yeah, you should know that. And despite those economic data, let's take a look here, because I have something like an analysis. I have a major descending pitchfork here, or actually, yeah, I have an analysis, my own analysis on Palladium. So something like this. I don't know, this could still be only a temporary rebound. Because the pressure is still high, and personally I don't see maybe an upside reversal pattern or something, so that's why in my opinion the bias is still bearish. And yeah, maybe these temporary rebounds are natural, and I don't know, these kind of rebounds could bring new short opportunities or something. Let's take a look on 4 hour. Maybe we had something here. And I believe that as long as it stays below 2010.69, maybe on the lower time frames, maybe, I don't know, you can catch something. Maybe we had something here like a flag, like a channel, like an upside continuation pattern, like this breakout. But personally, I would have liked the price to retest. Maybe the broken line, or maybe a consolidation here could signal potential growth. But I've told you that in the medium to the long term, the pressure is still high, and I don't know, it's still bearish. As long as it stays below these former highs or something, yeah. I will maybe take a look on this market later before my next, I don't know, maybe I will go long, sorry, I will go live. I will host a new webinar on Thursday or Friday, or maybe tomorrow, and maybe I will talk about this market. But please take a look here. An ascending pitchfork breakout. It has failed to stay there, and right now, I don't know. As long as it stays, yeah. In my opinion, the bias is bearish here in the short term. Personally, I don't have something really good. That's why I will not continue to talk about this market. Yeah, and also don't forget that this could be also something like a temporary growth or something. A new lower low here could signal a larger downside movement. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, this for joining my my live trading session, webinar, or something. dollar index, okay, strong sell-off, but as long as it stays above the pivot point, above the upper medium line, above 95.75, this could be only a temporary drop, and a potential new leg higher upside movement could bring us new US dollar longs or something. Okay, so yeah, right now this drop is natural only because we had worse than expected US data. So yeah, it could come back towards these support levels or something, but in my opinion it could still turn to the upside, resume its upside movement after this downside movement, and maybe yeah, also technically after such an aggressive breakout, yeah, maybe the price was somehow expected to drop a little, maybe to retest also the upper medium line before jumping higher. So I will look for something like this. Okay, thank you guys, see you next time. Bye bye.